Hi, I'm Sophie and from China Daily at 2017 Global Sources Mobile Electronics Show. Now I'm joined by Tommy Wong, the president of Global Sources Electronics. Hi, Tommy.
Hi, good morning, Sophie.
Thank you so much for joining me. Firstly, it's the second phase of 2017 Spring Trade Shows. So can you tell us, brief us, the greatest achievements, results of the first phase?
Basically, I think these are good results from the first phase of electronics. They focus mostly on the consumer electronics and the smart living category. I think there's a lot of visitors come from the 150. The countries fly over to Hong Kong to take a look on the most recent kind of supply of the electronics product in China in particular. I think we flew with the kind of attendance. At the same time, we also see a lot of a kind of customer exhibitor in particular. They're satisfied of the result. So there are a lot of doing the renewal on the 4 events. I think both buy and sell side are pretty engaged and then use this platform to do the business for the future of the endeavors.
So this is a bridging platform for them. Do you have any target for the second phase?
Basically, I think that we're looking forward to have over 30,000 of visitors around the world as well. So we think this is a mobile electronics also is a very kind of robust and vibrant industry. So we hope we can also provide the buyer and supply side another platform to source, communicate, engage, and do business for the future.
Thank you. Actually, Global Sources has hosted the trading shows for dozens of years. How can you, the company, keep adapting to the evolving environment?
Okay. Basically, the company positioned in Hong Kong and to understand clearly about what the buyers want through the online in particular, because we have the online platform. From the day-to-day promotion, when the buyer do the kind of sourcing and send an inquiry to the website, so we can note up to almost minutes about what the buyers want. So then we also refer to the supply side, whether they are echo the same. So from that, we hear clearly what the buyers would like to source for the coming seasons, for the coming 6 months, maybe the particular for the Christmas time. So we convince the supplier that, look, buyers send you a clear message. You better to listen to them. So you through 2 channels. One of them is online. So we have an online marketplace. At the same time, they also can meet the buyers during the showtime face-to-face. I think these are online, offline, and the short form called O2O is a perfect solution to solve the sourcing problems.
Thank you. So the internet is the key to everything, right? Yes. And in terms of the current show, the Mobile Electronics Show has been staged on for 3 years, right?
Yes.
So in your eyes, personally, what the greatest achievement of the Mobile Electronics Show?
So in fact, we spin off the show from the consumer electronics, become the standalone session for the mobile electronics. We usually come from the different kind of consideration. First of all, in the last couple of years, the rising or rapid rising of the mobile or accessory, and then that demand is pretty great, not only in the world but also in China, number one. Number two, we also see that, so the kind of development of the technology, more and more the faster chips and more and some about the application. So we see that there's a demand from the buy side. So therefore, we also encourage the supplier to make use of this golden opportunity to meet the buyers online and offline in this kind of category. Therefore, we rely on the wave of the rapid growth of mobile electronics. Therefore, our show growth almost double since the relaunch.
So besides the 4-day shows, what else do Global Sources provide to facilitate the distribution of the exhibitors?
So recently, not only for the B2B, we also has a bit of the online platform we call the eCommerce kind of applications. We know that shows only happen 4 days. Sometimes after the show, lockdown, anything gone. But for doing business, it's more than just shows. Yeah. So therefore, we offer to our supply side and also buy side have an online platform. So this year, we particularly look after for those e-tailer or Amazon seller in particular. We open our e-commerce show for them. In the show, we have the ready to buy, means that the buyer can place an order, and then the goods will be dispatched to the kind of the perfect location by 48 hours.
48 hours?
Yes, and then besides that, we also the pack with kind of logistics service, inspection service, lawyer service in order to ease the type of the problem or concern from those online sellers. I think this is also a perfect solution, not only for the B2B, but also the B2 small b customers. That they become one of the trend for our future events.
So actually, the ready-to-buy zone is kind of new e-commerce platform of Global Sources, right?
Yes, correct. So we just launched this April, and then we have a kind of partner with the China merchant groups. And so we particular to ready to launch. This is a kind of for the industry first solution in order to support online offline sourcing.
So what can we expect? Because it's a brand new zone and platform. Do you have a new goal for this zone?
So far we have around 150 customers. They put the products on the ready-to-buy zone. We look forward the kind of the space or the zone will be expanded by double in the coming fall. So from that, we can learn from different type of the demand from the buyer side in order to facilitate better for the supplier to meet the buyer's needs.
And the last question, for the buyers, can you enlighten the audiences the brand new, the industry trends of this year?
Okay, basically I think that for the mobile industry, they are waiting for two things. Number one is the 5G. When the 5G will come into play in the world or in Asia in particular. The other trend, of course, is the AR/VR application, because nowadays, so for the people seeing that the AR/VR is another wave after the mobile. We look forward when we finish the 2 days conference, high-level ecosystem summit that will be hosted by Global Sources, and the participant speaker will be from the Microsoft, Intel, ARMS. So they will give us the industry a bit of direction where the AR/VR is going. So I think after the conference, so the industry will really shape up and to prepare for the takeoff when the kind of hardware, software, content, and even the kind of the standard will be in place. I look forward there will be another big wave for the show itself.
Thank you so much. I think that will be very good news for the industry practitioners. And thank you so much, Tommy, for joining us. Stay tuned. We have much more for you.
You might know us as a news